Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here. From this episode onwards, I'm gonna begin a new series on Git and GitHub for absolute beginners. So, let's begin with the Git. What is Git? Git is a version controls management system. So, what it does? So, let me show you. Uh, when you make a file and you want to create and do stuff with it, and you'll write bunch of codes so you can do a normal stuff like HTML, CSS, something. And after that, you change few files after saving it, I mean, and make another file, and you saved it again, and then you create change so much as so further that you accidentally screw up your entire file, and in that point it's irreparable, and you get to this point where rather burn your entire life, like having trying to fix it. And another is, so after that what happens, you would do get to this situation because sometimes code are linked to each other, and fixing one will be a hard point. So on that time, what you need to do is want to go roll back to another save point, like the second one or the first one. But how you gonna do that? So that's where version control management system comes in. Like version control, there are examples of like Git, and everyone use Git. It's the most popular. There are other Git like or version control software out there, but it's the most efficient and mostly used ones. And not only that, we have GitHub. We also gonna learn about GitHub and what it does, how you can upload your codes to there, and not think that it is related to Git, no, but it's a hub of Gits, because you already heard hub before, I guess. So, and there are some other website too, GitLab, but we specifically use GitHub because it's the popular one out there. And hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.